I'm sweating actually. Hi guys, I was just driving, but I felt compelled to pull over so that I could intro this video and also introduce a new series onto my channel. This video is to start my series is going to be all about postpartum. My little diary series, I guess, because I want it to be very personal to me about my experiences with postpartum. So this is pretty much what this vlog is. So this vlog is me working out for literally the first time since I've even found out that I was pregnant with Salem. And the series isn't just gonna be me working out. It's like my thought process of postpartum, getting back to myself. That's pretty much the gist of the series. I want to find myself again. I don't feel like I'm very much lost, so to say. I know that Bailey is deep down inside, but I just feel like I'm Salem's mom right now, you know, because I am about to be 7 months postpartum, and for these months I have, you know, developed motherhood, what it takes to be a mother. I've learned. I was getting used to being mother for the first time, and I loved it. I feel so comfortable with being a mother now. Like, me and Salem are like this. It's so sweet, and so it's literally the purest thing ever. I could truthfully say, not even to brag, but this is probably just what motherhood is. I am Salem's favorite person. He could be with anybody in the family and, you know, he's vibing or whatever, but I am literally his favorite person. It's one of the best things in the world. And it took, you know, growing as a mother, as a person, to get to this point. But now I'm ready to get Bailey back. I just don't feel like Bailey. I don't look like Bailey. And I'm not mad about that. Every experience I have being a mother, I love, I cherish. But I'm ready to be myself again because I am comfortable, so comfortable with being Salem's mom, that I think that I can be Bailey whilst being Salem's mom, you know? So I want to drag her out, and pretty much this series is doing whatever it takes to get Bailey back, you know, whether that be working out, you know, even wearing the clothes that I used to wear. None of my clothes fit me. I have Salem's mom's body, you know, and, you know, I'm over her. I'm over Salem's mom's body. You know what's even weird to think about? I hear about postpartum depression all the time, and I don't even know if I've experienced that because I really don't know what it is, you know? So I want to do some research on how to get my metabolism back, just feeling like myself again in the most pure way, and whatever it takes for me to get there. And I just want to document it, talk about it, and, you know, look back on it. This is what my channel is about, so I can look back on what I did in these periods of my life and, you know, have the memories, see the formulas, learn stuff like that. So if that makes sense, because in my head I know what I mean, and I don't know if I'm portraying it verbally in the way that I want to, but I'm excited for this series. Actually, I want it to be very intimate. I want it to be very personal. And this first vlog is my first workouts. It's insane because this is my first workouts, consistent workouts, since even finding out that I was pregnant. But yeah, I think this is a fun vlog, even though it's literally me working out. But that's pretty much the gist of my new series. I think I'm gonna call it, I don't even know what to call it, but I'm thinking of calling it Postpartum Diaries. And this is part 1. I don't know how many parts there are gonna be. I don't even know when postpartum is over. Is that like after he turns 1 year old? I have no clue. But we'll learn together. And I just want to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is the first of many. And I will talk to you guys in the video. Good.
Cold?
It was at first, but once you start swimming, it feels great.
It's good to see somebody out there.
I have to get my laps in, you know, get a little exercise.
Have fun.
Have a good night. Night 1 done. You think that I could like bag we're doing a 3-mile walk. We're taking a little break because Emma can't even breathe when she walks more than a quarter of a mile. So we're heading back in like 5 minutes, and then if we're home before 9, then I'll get in the pool too. What time is it? It's 8:25. I might be able to get in the pool too. That's might be doing the most, but I'm willing.
Bro, you just had like a 9-hour day though at work.
I know. That's why I feel good, because
She worked today.
I'm doing the most. Okay. So for today's workout, I'm starting off with a little pre-workout workout, a little warm-up, if you will. We're doing a 30-minute walk around the neighborhood just to warm up. I'm gonna swim today, so that's gonna be my actual workout. But it was a nice day. It's the last day of summer, Robert said, which I'm ecstatic about. I'm not even wearing like running shoes. I'm literally wearing Yeezy slides. So yeah, but after this we're hopping into the pool. Oh, it's bright. Oy. Oh my god, my ears hurt. So I had to end my workout early. It's 7:12. If you can focus. 7:12. I had to end my workout early because I don't know if you guys get to see, but I hopped out of the pool so that I could record some of my set that I was doing. And the second I got back in, a dad and his sons came to swim in the pool, which I have no problem with. That's totally fine. But I was like, how weird do I look? I wonder if I have the clip, you'll see it. Or maybe I won't because there's kids in it. But I was swimming and then I see two boys and I'm like, how weird does it look that I'm recording myself swim? So cut it, it's over. Workout's over. So I had to end a little bit early, so I'm a little bit bummed about that. But now I know, like my first instinct to swim at 9 p.m. to 10, like a good hour swim, I need to just stick with that because I try to go earlier in the day, nice little 6:30, and what happened? The kids wanted to play. So I need to be in the pool when the parents are like, no, it's too late. I'm not going to stay outside and watch you swim at 9 p.m. Which I should have done from the start, but you know, I didn't want all my videos to be swimming in the dark. But yeah, I'm going to take a shower now. I'll see you guys tomorrow for my workout. What will I do? What will I do? Oh, tomorrow's gonna be a fun one. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. So we did a yoga class.
How was it?
And it was actually really good, in my opinion, because I thought it was just going to be yoga, and I think that felt a little bit boring.
Yeah.
But it was sculpt, so we had weights, and we were doing like abs and arms and
Crunches.
and we didn't do legs, but we did a little bit of booty.
Yeah, I thought it was really good, and Bailey did great.
It was in 1 hour.
Yeah, you didn't skip.
I
You did
skipped.
everything. Like a lot of people
put the
were
weights
like
on.
not doing the added on weights, but
And I didn't know the
first
names
class
of
ever,
anything.
already jumped on. I'm sorry, I kind of forgot to tell you about chaturanga and all that
Yeah, I was
stuff.
just like,
She looked maybe once confused, and by the next flow, she was golden. It looks like she's a regular. Would you come back?
Yeah, I'll be back for
I'll be back.
sculpt,
It was sculpt.
not for regular.
Did you like the teacher?
I think she was good.
Did you see me? I was a little taken back when she touched me. She's like,
Yeah, she was like, lower your form. I was like,
I was offended. I was like, bitch.
wait.
I was like,
I didn't get tapped. I think she was good because it's my first teacher. I don't know if there's
yeah, you don't know
better,
who to like put it to. Okay, we gotta put it back because she's naked. Bailey's killing it. 30 minutes on the, what is this called?
Treadmill. I'm sweating. Lauren Giraldo knows what she's talking about.